Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile, step by step. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Roblox app. Sometimes, you'll immediately see a pop-up that says Unlock Voice Chat. If that shows up for you, great. Just follow the prompt to add your phone number and verify it. It can be that simple. But if you don't see that option, don't worry. Just tap on the three dots More at the bottom right of your screen and scroll down to Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on Account Info. Now, this is important. You need to verify two things here, your phone number and your email address. Go ahead and add a valid phone number and email, and make sure both are verified. Next, scroll down to the Verify Age section. Voice chat is only available for users aged 13 and above, so your birth date must reflect that. If your birthday is incorrect, you can edit it before proceeding. Then tap Verify Age, and Roblox will ask you to complete identity verification using a valid government ID. This could be a driver's license, national ID, or anything official that proves your age. Once your age is verified, head back to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Content Maturity. This is where you'll find the option to enable voice chat. Just toggle it on, and you're all set. In some cases, you may also find the setting under the Communication section, so check there too if needed. After all that's done, voice chat will be enabled on your Roblox account, and you'll be able to use it in supported games. That's it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox tips and tricks.